Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP, and today I'm going to be talking about the differences between the reseller and the affiliate programs and how you can make use of them. Let's get into it. Whether you're offering SEO, blog content, lead generation, or any other services, resellers and affiliates have the potential to make up a large chunk of your overall income. As such, shouldn't running a successful affiliate and reseller program be as easy as possible? The Client Portal Service Provider Pro gives you powerful tools to bring on new partners, to promote and white label your productized services. With that in mind, I'm going to explain some of the specifics of our affiliate module and give you a brief overview of the reseller module as well. But first, let's take a look at the differences between the reseller module and the affiliate module. Resellers are individuals or businesses whose purpose is to resell the services or products of another individual or business. Instead of creating their own product or services, they rebrand an existing service, put their branding on it, and often include a markup to pay for their marketing activities. Not all resellers are going to be exclusively selling services of another merchant. Some use them just to diversify their existing portfolio. Let me give you a few examples to make things a little bit clearer. Let's say that an SEO agency has been getting a lot of requests from their clients about social media management. While they don't offer the service themselves, they partner up with a reputable social media management agency and resell their services instead. For another example, let's say that a social media management agency receives a lot of questions about design services. Their clients would like some custom graphics that do not rely on stock images. To fulfill this service niche, they partner up with a design agency that can create graphics on demand. As those examples show, resellers are using existing services and marketing them to their clients, while the original provider uses SPP's built-in order management system to fulfill them. Agencies aren't the only ones making use of reselling. Let's look at a few examples of where this business activity makes sense. The previous examples we talked about show that you're able to offer more services by reselling, and as such, upsell your clients. It doesn't have to be a service outside of your niche though. Let's say you're a content writing agency that mainly writes blog posts. If your clients have been asking you for some landing page copy, you could partner up with a specialist that offers that type of service. If you're looking to grow your business, reselling is a great way to achieve that. Instead of hiring new talent and exploring services that you have little experience with, you can resell these services and make money from your marked up fee. People that become resellers could also be experienced service providers looking to start up a new business but without the usually associated costs. Hiring people to fulfill services can be costly, especially if you're not sure if the business will succeed. Joining a reseller program removes those upfront costs and leaves you with more money for marketing. The advantages of reselling include low upfront costs, ease of scaling up your business, and partnerships with established companies. The disadvantages, however, include lack of control on quality and difficulty with competing on prices. For those who think that being a reseller is too much work, affiliate marketing is a great alternative. Instead of actually selling services and handling clients, you'll be paid a commission for every referral. Basically, you'll just be a salesperson advertising for a service provider without having to worry about any of the purchases. Tracking is usually handled for you, so you'll just need to send your prospects a personalized link and that's it. If you consider yourself more of a marketer, then you can simply promote a company and the services that they offer. In order to do so, you need to set up a few things so that you can get paid for every referral. First, how are you going to recommend the products or services of a company? You're going to actually need people to click on your affiliate link in order to earn some commissions. One way is to set up an affiliate website where you place your links under the products or services that you're mentioning. You could also do cold calls or post on social media, for example, to attract people. Nobody is interested in buying a product or a service from a random person. Every sale has to be earned by making clear that you're an expert who's convinced by what they're recommending. Only recommend services and products that are related to your activities. For example, if you're a search engine optimizer, then you can recommend SEO software or SEO agencies. Even if you're not a developer, there are a lot of no-code tools that you can use for automations. Let's assume that you're running a website that recommends certain services. You could set up a simple chatbot that answers basic questions, reducing the time that you have to invest into converting leads. Since you won't be earning money via sales right away, you need to be patient with your affiliate marketing. Payouts might need to be approved manually and might not even kick in until a few months down the road. The good news is that affiliate marketing can be a passive source of income that brings in money without you having to do anything. The advantages of affiliate marketing include almost no cost, ability to produce passive income, and low responsibility. On the other hand, the disadvantages include difficulty in tracking due to ad blockers and no revenue guarantees. If you're looking to get started with an affiliate or reseller program, SPP has a solution for both of these. The affiliate module allows you to grow your agency thanks to built-in affiliate tracking and commission approval. Keep an eye on how much revenue affiliates are generating, decide if you want to manually approve each referral, and download the CSV file to pay them. Those looking to bring their agency to the next level can use the Reseller module. It essentially allows you to set your services to be resold by your partners who can directly import them into their client-facing portals powered by SPP. You'll still do fulfillment while your partners take care of bringing in new revenue. The great thing about SPP is that it's a white-labeled client portal software. You can set it up on your own subdomain, upload your logo, and make it look like a part of your business, which is perfect for reselling services. Check out SPP via the description down below, and thank you for watching.